Achieve more shine in less time with the Tomahawk Auto Scrubbers to take your floors from dull to dazzling. With a wide cleaning path and high-speed rotary brush, this commercial-grade scrubber eliminates dirt, grime, and stains in a single pass. Dirt and grime don't stand a chance against this powerful scrubbing action. The built-in squeegee ensures a streak-free finish, leaving floors spotless and dry in seconds. No more waiting, no more slipping hazards. Whether you're maintaining a retail store, restaurants, hospital, or warehouse, every second counts. Powered by a long-lasting 24-volt rechargeable battery, this scrubber gives you the freedom to clean anywhere without being tethered to a cord. Enjoy up to 4 hours of continuous operation, maximizing efficiency while reducing downtime. User-friendly controls make operation simple for any cleaning professional. Just fill the solution tank, power up, and let the machine do the work. The easy access recovery tank ensures quick disposal, so you're ready for the next job in no time. Built for durability, designed for performance, Tomahawk Auto Scrubbers are backed by a 1-year warranty with reliability you can count on. Trusted nationwide, see why businesses are choosing Tomahawk for their facility maintenance duties. Achieve smarter cleaning and superior results with Tomahawk.